If you're like Chris and me, there just aren't enough seconds in the day to talk politics, ever, really. That's why every day we run through some of the stories we think you should know about and tell you why they matter. But we do it all in 100 seconds. Let's put the time up on the clock. Chris, can you kick us off?
Yes.
Ready, set, go.
Okay. This week, Mitch McConnell, Republican minority leader, said he will not stand behind the fight to defund Obamacare because he doesn't want to risk shutting down the federal government. Now, the Senate Conservatives Fund, a group of conservative outside group, is raising money off of the issue. Look, the Senate Conservative Fund, as well as the Club for Growth, two outside conservative organizations, have made no clear they want to challenge McConnell's primary.
Dave Camp, chairman of the Ways and Means Committee, Republican from Michigan, not going to run for Senate. He's going to remain the chairman of the Ways and Means Committee. In July, he said he was considering it. He's not going to do it. The fact of the matter is it's expensive. It would be a very long, hard race for him, so he is stepping out of it. Mike Rogers has said no.
Tough race. The family of the late senator from Hawaii, Daniel Inouye, is throwing its support behind Senator Brian Schatz's primary election opponent, Congresswoman Colleen Hanabusa. Now, fascinating. Inouye made clear that he wanted Neil Abercrombie to appoint.
All right, so now we're going to talk about Barbara Bush, daughter of former President George W. Bush, has said she thinks Hillary Clinton should run for president. Now, she did not endorse her. She said her vote is still up for grabs.
Jeb Bush.
I was going to say, and she might actually have a family member run. But she grew up in a Republican family, but has endorsed same-sex marriage. She said nice things about the health care bill.
NBC Wall Street Journal poll released Thursday said that Chris Quinn and Bill de Blasio, who are tied at 24% in the New York mayoral race. Look, Anthony Weiner is at 11%, fourth place, not going to win. I say keep an eye on Bill Thompson. He almost beat Mike Bloomberg 4 years ago to be the mayor. He was the Democratic nominee. I think he's moving up.
And you're done. That was great. All in 100 seconds. Now, did we miss anything? If you think we did, tweet us using the hashtag InPlay.